Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlike all tweets on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Profile option. Now tap on Likes. There you can find all the tweets that you have liked. To unlike the tweet, just tap on the heart icon. Repeat the process with all other tweets till you have unliked all of the tweets in this list. And this is how you can unlike all tweets on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.